A phone isn't exactly the only thing you get when you plunk down $999 for an iPhone X. Here's everything you'll find in the box. When rumors first swirled that Apple's top-of-the-line 2017 iPhone would cost upward of $1,000, some hopeful fans posited that such a high price would be softened by an extra goodie or two packed in, maybe a wireless charger, or even the AirPod wireless headphones. Of course, with the iPhone X demand said to be off the charts and the phone back-ordered for weeks, there's no need for Apple to sweeten the pot. As a result, what you get in the box with a $1,000 iPhone X is pretty much the same stuff you get with every other iPhone. When I pried open the box of our Apple-supplied white iPhone X review sample, I found the iPhone X, one Lightning USB cable, one standard 5W USB charger, one EarPod wired headphone, one Lightning to 3.5mm headphone adapter, 2 Apple stickers inside of a brief setup guide/warranty manual. As with recent models, there's no SIM removal tool included, but a paperclip works just as well if you need to swap yours out. After months of rumors and leaks, Apple's latest handset, the iPhone X, is finally here. While initial stocks are rumored to be extremely limited, the ordering process through Apple was relatively painless, albeit delivery times were a bit mixed for some. While we won't have our full review of the device up until we can explore every aspect of it, we did perform a quick unboxing of the unit, so you can get a sense of what comes inside the retail packaging. The iPhone X arrives in expected Apple packaging that contains the phone, various pamphlets, the AC adapter, charging cable, and a Lightning to 3.5mm stereo adapter. The device looks pretty good despite having a notch on the top, and it also has a pretty nice heft to it when compared to its siblings, due to the used stainless steel for the body. Perhaps the standout feature is the screen, which offers a look that is quite unique, as it seems that Apple has brought the display even closer to the protective glass. It's hard to describe, but it's impressive, to say the least. The iPhone X is available direct from Apple, cell carriers, and select retailers beginning Friday, November 3rd.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.